Two standout platforms, Zoho CRM and Intercom. One tough question, which one really delivers? On the left, Zoho CRM, the all-in-one sales, support, and CRM powerhouse. And on the right, Intercom, modern, messaging-first customer engagement at its finest. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Each category earns points, so you'll know exactly who wins in the end. The result in 2025 might surprise you. Here's the lay of the land. First, we'll look at core focus. Basically, what's each tool actually best at? Then, user experience, because who wants to fight with software, right? After that, pricing, which honestly is always a deal breaker. Next up is AI and automation, because can you even launch a product in 2025 without some AI buzz? Then integrations and ecosystem. How well do these tools play with the rest of your stack? And finally, security and support. So, yeah, buckle up. We've got a lot to dissect. All right, so core focus. First up, Zoho CRM. This is your all-in-one command center. Seriously, it's got your sales, marketing, support, all tied together under one roof. You need custom campaigns or deep dive into data? You got it. But the interface feels a bit, let's just say, busy. And unless you're ready to put in some time, there's a learning curve. And the email system. Honestly, if you live inside Gmail, you might miss that slick integration. Switching over to Intercom, whoa, this one's all about customer conversations. Like, they totally nailed live chat and messaging. The UI? It's clean, modern, super intuitive for agents. Honestly, you'll love handling customer questions here. But if you're looking for a tool that goes beyond messaging and support, Intercom kind of falls short. So for overall business muscle, Zoho CRM takes it. Now, user experience. Zoho's super customizable. Like, for power users, this thing can bend to your will. Have complex multi-step workflows? You're covered. But, not gonna sugarcoat it, the complexity can really overwhelm newbies. Even pros end up clicking around a bit to get simple things done. Intercom, though? Seriously, I wish every app looked this good. It's sleek, super easy to learn, and it's so focused on conversations that agents actually save time. However, outside its messaging magic, customizing stuff is meh. Some features are a little too basic unless you pony up for the pricier plans. So, in terms of pure user-friendliness and vibe, Intercom pulls ahead here. Let's talk pricing. Zoho CRM, honestly, is kind of refreshing. Super transparent, plans start friendly for small businesses, and even at lower tiers, you get a ton. But yeah, the fancy stuff is going to be locked behind those premium plans. And heads up, you'll probably want annual billing if you want their best prices. Intercom is like the cool premium brand, and startups dig their special pricing, but oh boy, once you add that AI magic, the bills start stacking up. There's charges per AI resolution, core features get gated behind paywalls, and honestly, it gets pricey. So if value for money is your thing, Zoho CRM is the clear winner. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Intercom's chatbots? Apparently, some customers legit don't realize they're talking to a bot. I mean, that's wild. The AI feels real enough to fool humans. Next up, AI and automation. Zoho's got its own AI assistant called Zia, but it's only on their enterprise plan. Standard automation is nice, especially for sales or support flows, but nothing mind-blowing unless you shell out for upgrades. Now, Intercom, this is where it gets wild. Their Fin AI agent is turning heads. It automates conversations, triages tickets. You can even set up bots for common customer issues in, like, minutes. But oh man, the AI, it's a paid add-on, not bundled. And those per resolution fees can get out of hand if you're busy. Still, Intercom's approach is cutting edge, especially for messaging. So it wins this round. All right, integrations and ecosystem. Zoho CRM is like the superhero of plugging into your business. It meshes with the entire Zoho suite. Sales, support, marketing, even your social channels. And integrations go pretty deep. But I'll admit, sometimes it feels like they're forcing tools together, especially email, and not everything feels as smooth as you'd want. Intercom, though, is just easy to slot in. Want to add live chat to your website or app? You can literally drop in some HTML and go. It's got good third-party integrations, and it's super easy to personalize for your site. But if you need a full-blown CRM ecosystem, it's not as broad as Zoho. So, Zoho CRM dominates here, just on pure versatility. Last but not least, security and support. Zoho CRM is a solid pick for big organizations. Data handling is robust, and you get all the right checkboxes for compliance. But some security settings are, honestly, kind of confusing. And their customer support, well, don't be surprised if you're waiting longer than you'd like. Intercom's trusted by global brands. Easy to implement, pretty good documentation. On the flip side, support responsiveness is a bit hit and miss. And yeah, hidden fees or upselling do happen. So neither is perfect. Let's call this one a tie. Let's put all these scores in one place. Zoho CRM comes out on top for core focus, pricing, integrations, and overall business power. Intercom wins for user experience and AI smarts, but at a higher price and with less suite-wide versatility. Security and support, pretty balanced. So who should go with which? If you want a full-featured CRM that's affordable, customizable, helps you wrangle sales and support, Zoho CRM is pretty much your best bet. But if your top priority is ultra-modern customer engagement, and you live for sleek live chat, plus you don't mind paying up, Intercom's definitely got something cool going on. That's my take. If you found this helpful, seriously, make sure to bookmark for your next software showdown. You never know when you'll need to compare the heavy hitters